Hello everyone, Catnip Crypto here, and welcome back to another tutorial. And in today's tutorial, it's going to be on how to add liquidity to the Catnip and lump pairs. So you want to go to Terraswap Classic. The links for all this will be in the description. At the moment, the dashboard is disabled still. It's been disabled for about 5 months now. I have reached out to them to see when it's going to come back, but they said they're just working out a few details with it because it's apparently broken since the last chain upgrade 5 months ago. Sorry, not the last chain upgrade, but the chain upgrade before the last one. So, you want to come down here, you want to go to the link, sorry, and press provide. And then in the token part, you want to type CNIP, because that is the abbreviation I use for it, because I was like, I don't know why I didn't just put Catnip. But there you go, so CNIP. And then to add liquidity, you just want to put 10,000 lunk, or however much lunk you want to put in, and then you'll need the asset amount of Catnip to add 10,000. So 10,000 lunk will be 54.4 Catnip, I believe. So if you want to do this, this is the admin balances to distribute for the end of the week. Then, sorry, 10,000, 54.24. It's a little bit, yeah, but yeah, you get the basic gist. So you want to press provide. Sometimes it might not work the first time, so you just refresh. Just a little bug with Terraswap right now, but it is all being worked on apparently. So there we go. So lunk is a fee, 10,000 at 54.42, and 10,000 to liquidity, and boom, you post, and then there we go. It'll add to the ULP for the contract, and boom. That is how you do it. And then to withdraw it, you press withdraw. And here you search CNIP, the lunk. And then you can withdraw it all there if you want to. So there, thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.